Okay, I want to go over the solutions to the glycosidic bond problems. In this first problem right here, I actually noticed that there's a mistake. All right, there actually should not be an oxygen right here. It should go a straight line up over and just have this one oxygen here. So just if you connect those right there, that's the way this should exist. When doing these types of problems, most of the work is actually involved in just figuring out the numbering of the two saccharides. All right, so the way that you number this, you always start on the side where you've got, when you have your oxygen in your ring, you want to find the carbon that has the hydroxyl directly connected to it. All right, so if I go this way and look at this carbon, there's not a hydroxyl directly connected to that. All right, but if I go this way, there is a hydroxyl directly connected to that carbon. All right, it's this one right here. All right, even though it's got this little bend here, remember that's not an actual carbon right there. All right, so this is going to be the side that you start the number 1 carbon with. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, again, if we take a look at this one right here, all right, there's your oxygen in your ring. Go this way. I don't see a hydroxyl directly connected to that carbon, but if I go this way, I see a hydroxyl connected. So that's going to be where you start the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and again, this should just be a straight line right there, and if we did that, that would be a 1, 3 glycosidic bond. All right, so this one right here actually has, instead of having a pyranose, it's got a furanose ring. All right, so we want to find, do our numbering. Let's look at the 2 carbons next to this. Okay, this one doesn't have that OH directly connected to it, but this one right here, it's got that hydroxyl directly connected to that carbon. So this is the side that we're going to start the 1 with. All right, so to get that 1, we actually start up here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and for this guy, this is your 1 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so that would be a 1, 3 glycosidic bond. Right, so these are both considered 1, 3 glycosidic bonds, even though they look very different. The major reason is that this is a furanose type structure, whereas this is a pyranose type structure. All right. Again, I've got the numbering down here. Again, the reason it looks, when you look at this, it looks like it's almost turned around. The reason that you start from the 1 here, all right, take a look at your oxygen and look at the both sides and see which one has the hydroxyl directly connected to it. So this right here, that oxygen would be from an alcohol, that oxygen is directly connected here. All right, so remember that's not really a carbon right there. That's just the way you draw the glycosidic bond. All right, so we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so that is a 1, 2 glycosidic bond. All right, this one right here would be 1, 4. That one's fairly straightforward. This would be a 1, 6. Doing the same numbering as we did before. And this right here would also be a 1, 6. All right, so hopefully that makes sense, and that's it for this video.